All right, so how do you know if your invention is already patented? I am JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. I've helped vendors now for over 10 years get almost 500 patents as of today. I'm also the author of Bold Ideas, the Inventor's Guide to Patents. And I've developed a really cool inventor's kit below for you to download to get started in your invention journey. Now let's get to this question about how do I know if an invention has already been patented? Right? You're at the very beginning stages, you've got this idea, maybe you thought about it for a while and started to document it or think through it on a day-to-day basis. And you're like, this is a big idea. This could be a bold idea. How do I know if I should get a patent on it or if someone's already beat me to it? And I say start with some research, especially if your invention is outside of your day-to-day industry, or what you're doing day-to-day, your day job, or what you're working on with your own company. If it's something totally different, you're going to need to get familiar with that other industry. And so I would say do some initial Google search engine, and then eventually go to the patent office, the USPTO.gov. There's a very robust search engine there, as well as Google Patents. There's two main buckets of what's called prior art, things that can prevent you from getting a patent. And to be clear, in order to get a patent, you have to be the first of its kind, the first one to invent something. That means it has to be novel, not just what's been new, published recent day, but for all time. So you have to have something that's totally brand new and has not been articulated. And there's two major types there, the utility or the design. So on the utility side, it has to have unique and novel functionality above and beyond anything that's ever been published or patented before. The second one is design. If you have a unique design, you've got to be able to show that three-dimensional shape, that article of manufacture, the thing that could be built, that shape, that three-dimensional aesthetic, that is unique. So those are two different aspects to go down. What do you think your invention has novelty on? In general, a utility patent will have much more breadth in terms of its overall rights and ability to provide value to prevent competitors from getting involved or competing with what you're doing. So go for the utility patent if you think there's enough room. But again, it starts with research and looking at not just what's been patented before, but what's been published. True, not just patent documents can prevent you from getting a patent granted. Someone or some company may have published just freely out to the world a scientific study or part of the research or PhD doctoral report, could decide to publish specific inventions without going after patenting. And by publishing and sharing that information, that is inherently not novel if you're now trying to get a patent on the same subject matter. And so go look for publications and patent documents around the world to make sure that your invention is going to be patentable. Now, you can only do so much of this work on your own, especially if you're new to it and you're busy developing your company, building more inventions, or working on your day job. So that's what patent attorneys can do. Our firm here at Bold Patents does this day in and day out, providing this patentability analysis and research for you. So hire a patent attorney that's familiar with research tools, how to find the essence of what you've come up with to give you the answer on, should I file? Has this been done before you go spend a ton more money filing the application, working hard on the spec, the drawings, and the claims? Know right up front whether it's been done before and to what degree your invention differentiates. All right, everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner and founder here at Bold Patents Law Firm. I encourage you to take that first step. Again, download that inventor's kit, get educated, informed about this big, huge process that can take many years to get done. It will be worth it. If you do it the right way, this technology could be the cornerstone of your business as it moves forward. All right, everybody, have a great rest of your day. Go big, go bold.